The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is Samsung doing something it should have done years ago. Finally, getting uncomfortable. After an entire generation of copy-paste Ultras and trust us, it's better upgrades, leaks now show a phone that looks like Samsung realized people were getting bored. Design is where the change starts. And yes, it actually exists this time. According to OnLeak's CAD files and hands-on models, the S26 Ultra ditches the sharp, brick-like corners that made recent Ultras feel more like construction tools than phones. Corners are rounded, edges are chamfered, and the phone is thinner and lighter, because apparently Samsung discovered ergonomics in 2026. The floating camera rings that everyone tolerated but nobody loved are gone. In their place is a raised, dual-layer camera island, because Samsung finally wanted the back to look like a finished product. Thickness lands around 7.9 millimeters, while the camera bump hits a chunky 12.4 millimeters. Samsung tries to distract you from the bump with a layered design borrowed from the S25 Edge. Color options leaked by Ice Universe include black shadow, white shadow, galactic blue, and ultraviolet. Notice what's missing? Titanium! Samsung quietly drops the branding, which basically screams, aluminum is cheaper and easier. Coincidentally, Apple just did the same. The excuse will be weight savings and better thermals, but let's not pretend cost wasn't the real motivation. Cameras are where Samsung resumes its favorite habit, doing the bare minimum. The main camera and 5x telephoto get slightly larger apertures, slow clap. Meanwhile, the 3x telephoto and ultra-wide sensors are literally unchanged from the S25 Ultra. Instead of real hardware upgrades, Samsung leans hard on software. Ice Universe claims the new processing finally stops nuking skin textures and colors. Portraits supposedly look better, and there's an optional 24-megapixel mode for extra detail. So yes, the cameras are better, mostly because Samsung stopped ruining photos and software. The display is the one area where Samsung still embarrasses everyone else. The S26 Ultra uses a new M14 OLED with COE technology for better brightness, efficiency, and accuracy. But the real flex is the privacy display hidden in One UI 8.5. Powered by Samsung Display's Magic Flex Pixel Tech, the screen looks normal straight on but turns nearly black from the side, even at full brightness. According to tipster Ahmed Quader, it works exactly as advertised, making shoulder surfing basically impossible. Performance is refreshingly straightforward. Samsung's dual-chip chaos continues for the regular S26 models, but the Ultra gets the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 worldwide. No Exynos drama. Geekbench scores show it beating the iPhone 17 Pro Max, thanks to higher clocks. Charging finally improves too. 60 watts wired, 25 watts magnetic wireless, Samsung's version of MagSafe. Battery capacity stays the same, because of course it does. Samsung Unpacked is set for February 25th, with sales around March 11th. Prices are expected to rise globally, except in the US, where Samsung knows better than to poke Apple too hard.